Friends, myself Ajay Eknath Chaudhary, and I am done my engineering in mechanical engineering. And today's date is 27th December 2021. Today's topic is string in Java. So, what is string? In this tutorial, we will learn about the Java string, how to create them, and various methods of the string classes with the help of an examples. So, what is Java? Java is in Java, a string is a sequence of character. Just like example, hello, where hello string containing a sequence of character that hello, which is given by brackets and that all. We will double quit to representing the Java. For example, creating a string type is equal to Java programming. So Java operation, string provides various methods or to perform different operation on string. We will look into some of the commonly used string operations, such as first one, to get a length of a string, to find the length of a string and use of the string, methods of the strings. Second one, to join two Java string. We can join two Java string in a Java using conjunct. Compared to strings in Java, we will make comparison between two strings using equals methods. Escape characters in string. The escape character is used to escape some of the characters present in inside a string. Suppose we need to include double quotes inside a string. Java string are immutable. In Java, string are immutable. This this means once a create a string, we cannot change the string. Creating string using a new keyword, so far that we have to create string like primitive data types in Java. Since strings in Java are object, we can create string using the new keywords as well. Creating string using literal versus new keywords. Now we know that how string are created using the string literals and new keywords. Let's see what the major difference between them. In Java, JVM maintains a string pool to store all the string inside the memories. The string pool help in the reusing the string. While first one, while creating string using string literals, string examples is equal to Java in bracket Java. Here we are directly providing the value of string, that is Java. Hence a compiler first check the string pool to see if the string already exists. If the string already exists, the new string is not created. Instead of new string, it examples that already existed a string Java is created. If the string doesn't exist, the new string Java is created. Java programming is created. While creating string using new keywords, string examples such as new string in bracket Java curly bracket. Here the value of the string is not directly provided. Hence, a new Java string is created even though Java is already present inside the memory pool. Methods of strings, that is methods, those methods mentioned in the above are the various string method present in Java. Here some of those methods are described. So first method description are contains bracket checks whether string contains a substring. If substring returns the substring join, so in the given string using a delimiter, replaces all the specified old character with the new characters. Replace all in bracket. Replace all substring matching with regex pattern. Replace first to replace the first matching substring character at returns character present in the specified location. Get bit wide convert string on array bit. Syntax index of return character is the string compared to, that is compared to the string in the dictionary order. Compare tolerance case, that compares to string ignoring case difference streams before any leading and trailing. White spaces format returns to a formatting string. Split break the string into array string to lowercase, converts the lowercase to uppercase, and converts it into string to uppercase of following value, return the string representation of specified argument to character array, convert to the character array matches, checks whether the string matches to the regex or not. Then a string begins with the given string, that is end with, checks if the string ends with the given string is empty, checks whether a string is empty or not. In turns, return the consonant representation of a string, contains equal checks whether the string is equal to character sequence, a hash code, returns to a hash codes for a string sequence, returns to a subsequence from a string. String are the keywords that is used for the formation of keywords in Java. So these are all the string benefits and characteristics we have discussed now. Thank you for watching my video.